They all die. No ice.
They are blocking the entrance.
No, I like this car.
The interior is later. It's like some Mercedes.
No, but we tested the BYD in the Netherlands.
They have full electric and they also have hybrid.
And they have hybrid.
Ang daming bus.
Yes, that is the service of Supreme Court. The
Oh,
Supreme Court, the Department of Justice is nearby.
there's the horse, Marco. On your left.
Lisa.
Excuse me.
Cute, yeah. You can actually use that when you want to go to Intramuros.
Yes. You go with them also, ma'am.
I think it was midnight, right? I think it was already. I actually thought, oh, it's gone. Because Marco, he was looking at it.
It's traffic everywhere. It's traffic everywhere.
Yapo.
Ah,
Thousands of houses burned down.
That was 3 days ago, 4 days ago. In Tondo. That was in Tondo.
Tondo, Manila.
Yeah. You go straight this way.
Okay.
Nearby at the port area. Dolomite Beach na pinano ni Digong noon. You heard that? The Dolomite Beach.
Yung nilinis.
Yung nilinis.
Oo, malinis pa rin.
Pwede yung puntahan mamaya, ikutan natin. Gusto mo check. Maganda yung mga.
When I heard for the first.
When you buy one, you take one.
Yeah, of course you take one if you buy one.
For free.
No, so you get two. You pay one, you get two.
Okay.
In the Philippines,
Buy one, take one.
You
Buy one.
But if I pay one, of course I get one, right?
Take another one. That is what
Yeah.
I mean. In the Philippines, that is what I mean.
See you again.
Mabini. But the whole barangay is the Ermita. Malaki, Ermita.
Ermita. The stoplight district of the Philippines. Red light district.
Eat a Jollibee.
Later, before you go back in the hotel,
No, we can eat
there's
Jollibee.
Jollibee there.
No, tonight in the airport. Tomorrow in the airport we can eat
Oh, because there's Jollibee in the airport.
Jollibee in the airport.
Terminal 3.
Huh?
At Terminal 3.
Terminal. Darna! Neverland.
You've been in Neverland. And you live in Netherlands.
Neverland.
We live in the Netherlands.
Sa Malate, alas 7 ng gabi, nakilala ko tuloy itong magandang babae na nakabibigani sa aking mga mata. Ang di ko lang alam ay manloloko lang pala. Mark Chan. Mark Chan. When the
I'll put
night.
change now. I think buy 500. You buy 500.
Okay.
Should be 30,000 dollars.
Kabisado nyo na po yung lugar. Hindi nyo na kailangan ng Waze.
That's the northeast baan, Japansbaan. Low. Sushi in this baan. Interesting. All over the place. We got a better rated at the bank.
Okay. Line Makati.
In Makati.
It's raining.
This is Korean street. Mostly owners of the bars, it's Korean.
Korean.
Yeah, it's Adriatico.
But there is Chinese and stuff.
But mostly Korean. That is, they call it Manila Koreatown.
There, Manila, Korea.
We have also a Chinatown. in
Yeah.
They
Philippines.
they even have their own street.
Every big city in the world has a Chinatown, right?
Ah,
Amsterdam, New York, Paris.
Yeah. You will still be back in time. We gotta go down the road down by.
Then Marco, you ask how